Hi, Tiago. Hi. We're playing on
Tiago, come on.
my new play structure.
Let's go. Let's go up in the slide. Up in the slide. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ma'am, you shouldn't teach him to climb up a side.
Good boy.
Hi.
Come on. Let's go down the slide. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's sit down. Let's go. Sit down. Ready? Yeah? Woo! Yeah!
Was that fun?
That was good.
I'd rather play with the shop vac.